Welcome to our guide on how the food and beverage industry is tapping into a hidden treasure trove, the R&D tax credit. Today, we'll unveil the secrets behind this financial opportunity and how companies like Prime are leveraging it for their unique drinks. The R&D tax credit isn't just for traditional scientific ventures, it's a game changer for diverse industries, including food and beverage. Let's delve into the 4 crucial elements that qualify companies for this lucrative benefit. Firstly, to qualify, companies need to show they're developing or enhancing a product, process, software, or formula. For Prime, it's all about crafting those unique drink formulas that set them apart. The second key element involves the use of scientific principles or technology in their innovative process. Prime's approach integrates scientific aspects into their drink formulation, marrying innovation with science. Embracing uncertainties is the third element. Prime faces unknowns in ingredient compatibility, taste, and market reception, crucial aspects in the innovation journey. Lastly, systematic experimentation, testing and refining the product is vital. Prime rigorously tests for taste, ingredients, and market suitability. But understanding the complexities of the R&D tax credit can be daunting. That's where seeking guidance from tax professionals familiar with IRS guidelines becomes imperative.